Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to manage remote teams using Wrike step by step. If your team works from different locations and things feel scattered, yeah, this setup will bring everything together. Alright, first, create shared spaces for your remote team. Each space can represent a department, project type, or region. So, everyone knows where their work lives. Inside each space, organize work using projects and folders. Projects are best for deadline-driven work, while folders help group ongoing tasks. I mean, structure is everything for remote teams. Next, assign every task to a specific person and add a due date. Remote teams really need this clarity so nothing gets missed or duplicated. For day-to-day communication, use comments inside tasks. Share updates, ask questions, and give feedback right where the work happens. So, fewer meetings, more progress. To get someone's attention, mention them using the @ symbol and their name. I mean, they'll get notified instantly even if they're in a different time zone. Use board view or timeline view to track progress visually. This helps you see what's moving forward while others are offline. Check the activity feed to stay updated on task changes, comments, and completions. So you stay informed without constantly checking in. And that's how to manage remote teams with Wrike step by step. When work, communication, and progress live in one place, remote teamwork becomes way easier. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next guide.